Hello children, hope you all are safe and fine. Yes, today I am back again to teach you all English grammar. So, last class we have seen regarding subject and predicate, what is a sentence, right? So, today we are going to look into sentences and the different types of sentences. Yes, so a small recapitulation of what all we have learnt. A sentence is nothing but it is a group of words that make a complete sense. And there are also rules while writing a sentence. It should always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop, and nowhere in between you are going to use the capital letters while writing sentences. And then we have seen what is a subject and what is a predicate. Yes, so the main part, what we are speaking about becomes the subject, and what we are speaking about the subject becomes the predicate. Yes, so today let us look into sentences and its types. Okay, a sentence is divided into 4 types, or it is of 4 kinds. First one is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. So we have 4 different kinds of sentences. Now come on, repeat children. First one is declarative, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative and the fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, now let us go into little depth and know what each sentence speaks about. Yes, so the first one is declarative sentence. So what is a declarative sentence? A sentence that makes a fact or an opinion. It is going to declare something to us. Okay, a sentence that makes a fact. What it is? The sun rises in the east. That is a declaration. Okay, it is the fact what we are speaking about. Okay, a fact or an opinion. So, such type of sentences are called as declarative sentence. And always a declarative sentence should end with a full stop. It is compulsory. It is a rule, children. Okay, whenever we write any form of a declarative sentence, the sentence should always end with the full stop. Okay, now let us look into the second type, that is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question. So the word itself tells interrogation means questioning. Okay, any sentence which is asking a question, that becomes an interrogative sentence. Okay, for example, how are you? It's a question mark, right? How are you? What is this? So what do? We put a question mark after we complete it, right? So it should have a question mark. So the sentence should end with the question mark. Why are you here, John? Why are you here, John? So after John, you will not put a full stop, because you are starting the question with a question tag called why. So it becomes an interrogative sentence. So you should put a question mark after you complete the word John. Understood, children? So interrogative sentences are nothing but a sentence that asks a question. How are you feeling today? So how are you feeling today? That is a question, and you will put it end the sentence with a question mark. So such type of sentences are called as interrogative sentence. Now the next one, imperative sentence. Okay, what is imperative sentence? A sentence expresses a command or a request. Okay, any sentence which is expressing a command or a request, it forms the imperative sentence. And this sentence can end with a full stop or with an exclamation mark. You know, no? So this is called as the exclamation mark on standing line and small dot. Okay, so such which expresses a command. Suppose if I say, what are you doing? Is the coffee hot? So how it is? It is very, very hot. You are expressing the feeling. Wow, it is too cold. So wow, it is too cold. That becomes an imperative sentence because we are expressing it. Either it can be a command or it can be a small request. So any sentence which expresses a command or a request is called as a imperative sentence. For example, shut the door. Shut the door. That is a command. You are not talking politely. You are commanding somebody. So in that particular place, either you can use a full stop or you can use an exclamation mark. So such type of sentences becomes the imperative sentence. Now the last one is exclamation sentence, exclamatory sentence. So what is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence expresses a sudden emotion or a feeling is called as an exclamatory sentence. I want to share my happiness. I want to share suddenly my sadness to someone. Then I put it in, or I express all these feelings in the form of a sentence. So such sentences where you are expressing your feelings, okay, then that becomes an exclamatory sentence. The weather is so beautiful today. You are expressing, I am very, very happy today. So that is some sort of an expression which is coming within you. Okay, so such sentences where you are able to express your feelings is called as an exclamatory sentence. And generally this exclamatory sentence, it will end with an exclamation mark or also a full stop. Okay children, so today we have learnt different kinds of sentences. So let us revise it once again. Yes, so a sentence is divided into 4 kinds. First one is declarative, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Okay, so declarative sentences, you are declaring a sentence which is talking about a fact, that is called as a declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence, a sentence that is used for questioning. You question somebody, that becomes a interrogative sentence. Then imperative sentence, the sentences which expresses a command or also a request, that becomes a imperative sentence. Then exclamatory sentence, the sentence where we express our feelings is called as an exclamatory sentence. Yes children, I hope you must have understood the concept. Yeah, thank you.